welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today, showing you what I got, which is the cheapest clean Porsche Macan on the market. So this one was a 2019 with 39,000 miles, and as you can see here, it's in really good condition. There's some caveats to getting something that is so cheap. Now, it did have a clean Carfax and had no accidents or damage or anything reported. So they're just minor things that I noticed that I'm going to bring. The first thing is that it does need some warranty work. You can see many Macans have this problem where the headlights kind of haze, and so I'm going to try to get that fixed under warranty because it still does have warranty. The other thing I noticed was it has pretty cheap tires on. So these are called Nexen, not Continental, I think, as it comes originally. So that's something I'll just see how these tires do for now before I change them, because they are still new. The brakes were decent, in decent shape. The paint, however, while in good condition, had a lot of particles caked up over the 3 years that the previous owner had it. So check out the video. I'm going to show now what it sounded like. So I was able to get rid of that and get it looking how it does now by doing a clay bar. So I just picked up a clay bar kit, just did that myself. It took around an hour, hour and a half. Overall, it's in really good condition, you can see. And the main reason that we were excited about it is the interior. So you can see the interior was in basically perfect condition. So for 39,000 miles, it's pretty amazing to see that the steering wheel, the seats, everything was just in perfect condition. So this one in specific has heated seats, lane change assist, and panoramic sunroof. Well, there's a few other things, but that's kind of what was important for us, so it did have the necessary features. Now the other thing getting, a non-certified one is this is the key that it came with. So it was in pretty bad condition and it was missing the physical inside key as well. So while we were out here, I was able to get a locksmith to make me this and 2 of the actual keys. Now that was about $800, and I'll show you the video now of what he had to do to the car to actually get the computer out and program this. It's pretty crazy. So that's basically it. So I'm going to get the paint polished just so it looks even better, and maybe ceramic coated. I did order black tailpipes, so I'm going to change those to have the quad black exhaust. Probably have the rims or the wheels powder coated. So that should look a lot better once that's done. So this is it. Definitely worth it. I'll be putting some more content on it soon and show you kind of how the process is. If you're curious what it sounds like, here you go.